A good Saturday evening to you. Meteorologist Alex Puckett here, and we're looking ahead to some storms late tonight into early tomorrow morning. Most of this rain coming and the storms coming before sunrise tomorrow. So let's talk about this. This is your latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center. A marginal risk in the dark green, a slight risk, with slightly elevated risk there over the far western end of the state in the yellow highlighted region. This is still going to be a low-end event, it looks like, across the state of Alabama, but some impactful storms a possibility. Two main threats with this line of storms on the way. First, the wind threat, and again, you will note that the further west you go, the higher the threat is. That's going to be the case with these storms as we head through tonight. But a low-end wind threat across central Alabama, some isolated damaging wind gusts a possibility. We'll go to the high-resolution rapid refresh model showing you the wind gusts as these storms roll through, and you can see some decent gusts ahead. In fact, I think widespread, you could expect 35 to 40 mile an hour wind gusts with this, and that's enough to blow the trash can down the road. It's enough to potentially take a couple of tree branches down. And the potential embedded within these storms for maybe some higher gusts that would be closer to 50 or maybe even 60 miles an hour in a couple of isolated locations. And that's where we could see some pockets of wind damage if these storms overperform. The wind clears out as we head into the morning once the storms clear out, but it'll be pretty breezy as we head through your Sunday. The Storm Prediction Center also has that tornado threat out. This is a very low-end threat. You can see that parts of central Alabama highlighted in the green there. Again, that's a low-end chance for an isolated tornado. Doesn't mean you shouldn't be on guard, but know that for most of us, this will be a round of storms that you can sleep through. But we'll go to the rotating updraft product. Understand that doesn't mean tornado, but it does mean a storm that's rotating. Those can produce severe weather, including tornadoes. It's not going to show a lot here, but you do see a couple of brief moments of spin in the model as that line of storms rolls through. We'll have to watch these storms late tonight into early tomorrow morning. But again, those storms mainly clearing out by the time the sun comes up. Let's go to the Futurecast. This is a simulated radar and kind of take a look at how this all evolves. Again, it's going to be late tonight before these storms come in. This particular model may be a little slow with that early onset. I think it could start closer to midnight, close to the Mississippi border. But for most of us, this is going to be very late tonight, after midnight and into early tomorrow morning. That line of storms rolling through. This is 4:30 in the Futurecast. You can see the storms roughly from around Fort Payne, Gadsden, Hoover, back to Greensboro. If this model has it exactly right, it probably doesn't, but we're looking at the general pattern here. Those storms are clearing out by sunrise. This is 6:30, and the line of storms, that leading edge of severe weather, is already south and east of central Alabama. It's mainly over Montgomery, Lake Martin, extending east at that point of Mount Cheaha. There will be some lingering rain early in the morning as the sun comes up, though, and some spotty showers possible as we head through your Sunday. So expect it to be breezy Sunday. The chance for some lingering showers as we head through the late morning, early afternoon, and then drying out. It's going to be a cooler day, too, with temperatures dropping behind that front. Some beneficial rainfall on the way for us. Rainfall totals between a half inch to an inch and a half with this next setup, and this is the only substantial rain over the next 7 days, so this is it. This will be good news. The heaviest rain generally will be along and west of I-65. That's where some of the worst drought conditions are located in the state. So that's kind of welcome news for us. The worst of the drought, extreme drought conditions for parts of Pickens, Green, Hale, Tuscaloosa, and Bibb counties. So we're hoping we get some pretty good rainfall there with this event as these storms roll through. Behind the storms, cooler air on the way as we head through next week. You'll notice that by tomorrow afternoon, with highs only making it in the low 70s. And really comfortable weather as we head into next week. Lots of sunshine, cool, dry air in places. Mornings quite chilly, feeling like fall as we head into next week.